What's up? What's up? All right. So I wanted to show you guys. This is what we're doing. Is that 96? Not 115. I went over it and then I went back down a little bit and then I ended up just busting past it. Once I found this, hold up. Once I found this, okay, move my stop loss, but once I found, where is this thing at? Hold on. This big monster. It's a huge, huge pattern, harmonic pattern. This is the weekly. Huge, huge pattern. This is over 2,000 pips, large. This is a monster. Nobody, and people don't know that they're sitting there trying to trade against this. I was in a chat not that long ago. Sorry, I'm eating some oatmeal. I was in a chat. Well, they're showing the signals. They're showing the signals on YouTube, and I'm like in the chat, and I'm like just watching what they're saying, and I'm like, these guys, why are they chasing pennies at M15? You're trading on M15. How far do you think an M15 with an indicator signal on it is going to really go? What you're going to be trading. You got to watch it all day. You're going to be trading it back and forth, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. When you can just do a larger time frame, lower your pips. I got a half a pip when you see I'm banking $13,000, right? I mean, it kind of should have been less than that, I think, but whatever. That's how confident I was on the trade. But this is what you want. You want higher time frame, and you want high probability. Hold on. I gotta answer that. Oh, yeah. Business call. Yeah. That's the other business. Okay. Well, anyway. Where were we? Oh, well, now you see it's at 300. So they're trading again. I mean, I told the guy, this thing was at what, was it 292? 293 pips. He's like, oh, I'm gonna buy it. I'm in it now. This thing is going up. I'm telling you. I'm like, okay, man. I mean, you're better off shorting it because on the higher time frame, this is where it's going. I mean, this is on a higher time frame. I said, I'm in this thing. I said, I really don't care what it does for a day or two, but I'm in a weekly. So, bro, I'm telling you. And now he's down another 10 pips. More than that, actually. I said, you're going to lose money, man. No, I'm sorry, guys. I'm so hungry. I'm squeezing this in between some other work I do. I do work also for an inspection company that's a friend of mine owned, and I decided I would help him out on some stuff, until he no longer needs it. But anyway, that's the side issue. At this point, we are looking at GBPAUD, and then this one I just got into. This one's down. Hold up. This is the one that was down that I just opened up. So that's down 15 pips. So that's not ready. Yeah, I'm going to close that. You don't want to hold on to a losing trade. Oh, man. Wait. What did I hit? Hold on. All right, so now I've reduced the size down to about almost a third of the position. So 16 pips, 17 pips would be, you know, just $100. Okay. This is what I was seeing, it coming back. But see this, okay? This is supposed to do like this. This forms up, and then this is supposed to come down like so. It didn't do that. Instead, it immediately broke. The stop loss went up here. Now, whenever you see this peak happen, okay, you always want to, excuse me, sorry about that. Maybe I should pause it and come back. My throat. Okay. You always want to wait till you see something like this. There should be a circle around my, what you call it? Right here in that area, right there. And you want to see this, like you want to see this thing come up, and then you want to see it like kind of spike. Drop down, almost like a failed breakout. You kind of want to see a failed breakout. When you see a failed breakout, that is a very, very high chance that that's going to be it. It's like one last little, right? And it's like, okay, I'm done. It's climax and climax, and then just boom, and the bubble, and it just pops, and then it drops. I bought in here. My mistake was buying inside of this cloud. I shouldn't have done that. I should have waited for it to come out the cloud. So I broke my own rules. And this is the only one that actually looks like this. You know, this is the only one that actually, where is it? Oh my God, this thing is, why is it so slow? I'm going to have to restart the computer. This computer's been running for days without restarting. Man, this oatmeal is just so good. Nothing like a good, perfectly done oatmeal. Good stuff. That's why it sells so much. It's not appearing. It's just frustrating. Forget it. Alright, so what's the other one? The other one I'm in is Euro JPY. Shorting that. These are going to be my positions for quite a while, guys. So now it's coming back down 13. I see I should be, when this goes back to 0, I'll step in with I'll increase the position size up to 200,000 units. 200,000 units is just 0.2 lots, okay? And then you see this beam. This is what I want to see. I mean, this is just classic for me. Like, this is the same thing I see all the time. It hits this. It went up from 17. Hit this, comes up here, so it's above there. This goes inside, crosses, ends up going back into the cloud. So, you know, that cloud area for the Ichimoku, that's going to be your support. This is now almost breaking through support. I mean, it hasn't quite yet. I mean, it could go into, I mean, it could be, I mean, I doubt it going really back up after this. But usually, when this line right here, and that line right there, that red long line, will zap this for like a few days, maybe like this long or that long, somewhere. You want it to be a nice little width on the chart, on the time frame you're on. Or just a 2 hour. So it should be around somewhere in here. Then this beam will stop. This little red beam will stop. Once that red beam stops, this thing drops, and it's going to look just like this side. It's going to look like a mirror image. You can flip that over. So like from, let's say like from here to here will be the same from here to here. So we should expect this what? To hit our take profit, possibly around September 23rd. Between what? I'm sorry. No, I said that wrong. September 26th. Around September 26th, we should hit our take profit. If this is correct, right? If this is not correct, of course not. But if shorting it from here, and if that's the top, and shorting it from here, if this part is correct, this right here, then so is this one. Plain and simple. In fact, this is going to do, it should come back up inside here. I expect this to come back up. I don't expect this to drop. It may be nice, of course, but worst case scenario, I think the worst that could happen is not here. It's not going to hit here. It's going to be short. It's not going to get outside the cloud. It'll be like right in here or somewhere up in here. If it falls out the cloud, it's going to do this. It's going to curve up against it just a tiny bit, and then boom. So check back. We'll check back tomorrow with something like that. Okay, I don't know. Is this also my computer just woke up somehow? Anyway, so we'll check back, right? No major news down here. Oh, right there. Okay. Well, I mean, I kind of just see it. I just want to be aware of it. I don't trade off of it. I just make myself aware of kind of what's going on. So the other one, now I was in AuCAD. I call it AuCAD. I just do. You know, Aussie, Canadian dollar. I call it AuCAD. Because I keep thinking about the computer program. Well, anyway, this is what I was in. I bought it, right? 2 hours. No, it dropped. It had pulled back, so I got out. This right now is actually, this is a good trade. I should have stayed in this one probably. Yeah. AuCAD on a 2 hour with a deep crab. Oh, I think, oh, you know why? I now know why I got out. Yeah. Yeah, I now know why I got out. I got out because of, I didn't expect this to go past this point, that red line, and the way this crab is in its position. Completely decipher. I mean, it can do this and then continue down. It does not have to go up here. It does not. So when I see things that's kind of half filled, unless I saw a bunch of them half filled, then I would play the whole thing, that they're all going to be completely refilled. Like we see like cascading triangle, like triangle down, triangle, 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 and then it just goes half, 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 half. I know by the time this thing bottoms out or tops out, I know that it's just going to be like, it's going to be like crazy pips. It's just going to be stupid, crazy pips that you can get. We're going for the monsters. I mean, we're going for 200 pip trades, 2,000 pip trades, 1,200 pip trades. You know, this is what I'm doing right now for my students. that are